Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Jacqueline Berry is here. Today we're going to talk about things. And what kind of things would that be? Something like hair? Alright, let's go get started. Alright you guys, so lately I have been taking care really good of my hair. So and I found some really cool items that I use for my hair when drying it, and pretty much all of the above. So here are my collections, and but first look at this cute little box, chest, how do you call that, chest something box, something like that. So first let me go ahead and remove my hair towel. And this is, I love this, by the way. This, if you saw this on my previous video, it's like from Lange. So this is my natural hair. It's actually very damp right now, very wavy. So it smells so good. Alright, so this is what I usually use to blow dry my hair, but I have some more new stuff that I got from the mail that I cannot wait to share with you guys. This is beautiful. This is like rose gold color. It's pretty. This is my hair brush. But I don't want to use it right now because there's something else that I want to try. Okay, so I'm going to put this back here. This is so funny. It's like from there it looks like something else. Alright, so this is my wand. So this is really good. It's like to curl your hair with, and it's so beautiful. I love it. Alright, so for my hair straightener, wires everywhere. This is what I got. This is my Lange also. It's just so beautiful. So and also, I don't know, I keep saying and because I have more stuff to show you guys. For my hair, this is what I've been using. Healing oil treatment. Focus. This is a cute little hairspray that I got also from them. So they're pretty much, I'm crazy with Lange, by the way. So I'm gonna put it back. So the thing that I just got in the mail, I'm gonna use this hair dryer in just a little bit. So I have this. Woo! I'm gonna go ahead and open it. So, but let me lower my camera so you guys can see it. Are you guys excited as I am? So how am I gonna open this thing? A pen. I can use a pen. Do I have any here? Oh, I'll use my hair clip. That will do. Oh gosh. I don't even remember what's in here because it's been like a week and I have not opened it yet. Excited. Oh wow. Look at this. I seriously do not remember this. But what is it? This is my Lange. Oh my god! The cute hairbrush. Hi, baby. Oh, okay. Oh, this is so cute. This is so nice. I like it. Okay, so the next one is... Oh gosh. Do I remember this? It's a little dusty in here, so I'm like coughing a little. So let me go put this thing inside the box so I'm not gonna make a mess here. This is so big. Oh my god! This is, so when I purchased items, they sent this to me for free. I have another one of this. Okay, I remember it now. It was free, so why not? It's another hair straightener. I have one already right here. So here's another one. Who knows? I might give it to someone for Christmas. Christmas. Okay. So I'm just gonna leave it in the box because, like I said, I'm gonna have to give it to somebody for Christmas. So next box right here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it because I don't remember it. It's kind of exciting opening box, right? Opening boxes that you ordered. Oh my god. This thing hurts. Okay. Oh my goodness. Of course, hair products again. So this is Dream Cream Intensive Reconditioning Hair Treatment. Is it focusing? Okay, it's by Lange, of course. So add it to my collection. Next one is, oh, this is awesome too. Keratin Treatment by Lange also. Let me see if it's gonna focus here. There you go. So add that to my collection. This next one. Oh my god, I'm so excited about this next one. Come on, get out. Get out of there. It's taking forever. Oh my god, I'm so excited to open this, guys. You don't know what it's like being a girl. I'm like, oh my god, I'm so excited. Alright, you guys. This is a brush slash straightener. So you plug it, of course there's cord in there. I don't want to like undo this thing. So there's cord and then you plug it in. Oh my god, look how beautiful, look how pretty this is, guys. Oh, so pretty. Of course it's by Lange also. This is so neat, I love it. Look at the box, so pretty. Alright, let me put it back in the box for now. Because I have one more box that I'm gonna open. So excited. So I finally... So guys, it's been like a while since I put makeup on. It's like probably like what, 3 months. I feel like a human again. Alright, so this one is half open. I think my little boy cannot open it for me first. but he didn't succeed. Oh god, I'm gonna break my hair thing here. Come on. Okay. I had to use like a whole lot of force there. Okay. Oh my gosh. I did it. So it's open now. This is funny. So okay, hang on. Next. So here I tore it. And look what's in here. A comb for detangling your hair. Because I don't have a comb, to be honest. I only have brush, so cute. I love it. It's so beautiful. It's from Lange also. Alright, so collection. And the next one is, where did you go? Oh, it came off from the thing, but here. Oh my gosh, this is so awesome. My goodness. This is so cute. Let me go ahead, so you can see my face. There you go. This is so cute. So this is like a clip that you can part your hair with, like that. For example, if you're like, you know, like sectioning thingy for, I don't know how you call that. So if you want to try to section your hair, like doing stuff, so you can like go ahead, see that, or you can use it as a clip too. That's awesome. All right, so there's like oh my god, oh, the other side. So there's like 1 2 3 4 6 pieces in here, and guess what, this is actually only like $12, I think. This is not bad. So I'm gonna add this to my collection again. And the next one is this. I'm gonna open this. It's called the alligator hair clips. The other one, what is it called? Oh, the other one is the sectioning hair clip, and this one is the alligator hair clips. Oh my god, this is so, I love it. Alligator. My hair is kind of dry now, by the way. Oh my goodness. Oh, there's only 4 in here, but oh my goodness, look at that. Alligator. This is only like $10, you guys. And let's go try it. So we'll see. Oh, I'm gonna go ahead, kind of like tie it like this. See, I guess this is pretty good. It's like, you know, stylish. So there's like 4 in here. So I'm gonna have fun with this, because especially with my long hair. It's dry now. Alright, so let me go ahead and put it to my box. So this is where things goes. My hair stuff. It's like, so at least I know where to, you know, find all of them. This is where I put them. Easy for me. Okay, so and the last thing that I really want to try right now with my hair, it was in the box. It's this one. It's Diffuser by Lange also. So here, let's go open it because I'm kind of excited. I'm so excited. It's like new toys for girls. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So let's go try it. We'll see what it looks like. What it do to my hair, because I want to have volume. I don't know. I have natural curl, but we'll see, because we'll see if it's gonna turn out a little bit prettier. So I'm gonna plug it right now. Hang on, you guys. I'm plugging something. That's why you can't see me. Whoop. Turn it off. Let me turn it off. Let me go ahead and remove this. Oh gosh, there you go. Where did it go? Oh, here. So I guess we just like connect to here. Okay, hang on. Okay, well, how do you work this thing? I'm sorry, I'm a little like illiterate when it comes to this thing. Okay, I'm not seeing any instructions, but okay, let's go try. We'll see if it's going to work. I don't know why this is. I'm like, really? How do you work this thing? Let me just find out real quick. Alright, so you guys, I'm so bummed because this does not fit my thing when it's the same products. So that's kind of bad. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try, which is I kind of did just kind of hold it, I guess, a little bit. I'm just gonna like glue dry. This is actually pretty good. So I'm making do. Like I said, I was just holding it. So here. So let me just go ahead and put. Oh my goodness, here. What I can do. Here. Ha. It is working, but it's annoying that I have to hold it. I'm probably gonna have to return it. So, I don't know why you want. It don't freaking fit. So let's go try another one. I'm just gonna put like one, two. Good. So look, looks like natural curls. I mean, my hair's already natural curly, naturally wavy. It's not like really curly, it's like wavy. But yeah, it's just really good. And this products right here, oh well, this is really awesome. Intensive reconditioning hair treatment. I can't wait to try that. And keratin treatment mask. I can't wait to try that also. So, alright, you guys. I guess my hair is like all over the place now. So thick. So, you know what? Here, let me go ahead and try this detangling comb. Oh, wow. It's really nice. So I'm gonna have a super thick hair after this, like kinky, because of the brush. Oh wow, this is so neat. I love it. And it's the tooth. like, or the teeth are like really far away from each other, so it's like really good. Alright. Alright. Oh, that was good. That was good. And this brush. Oh my god, this is so good. So you know what, guys? I'm gonna go ahead and try that this is good. I love this. I want to make sure it's recording still because my camera will stop recording automatically if it gets like a bit more than like 4 minutes. So here, I'm gonna go ahead and plug it in. I'm gonna go ahead and unplug my. I'll be right back, guys. Plugging stuff. Here you go. I'm gonna. Oh wow! How cool is that? Look at that. So, on. All right, it's on. I'm gonna go ahead, kind of wait a little. Let me put this back together again. So I'm gonna wait for that to heat up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and try it. We'll see. I'm so excited about that. Do you guys like my collection? It's like really awesome. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to do with this because it does not fit. Where's the box? Oh my god, you guys, it's already heated, or it's already ready. It's like, didn't take long at all. So here, we'll see what it looks like on this. Ooh, why not use this, right? Okay, so let me section my hair with this. God, it's like, I look like I'm a little kid playing with my toy. My hair's still kind of wet. Should I just give it a try? I'm sure it's okay. It might smoke a little. Oh my god, it's so good. So this is a hair straightener slash brush, you guys. Oh wow, this is so good. Look at that. Oh my god, I bet this is one of the best purchases I've ever did. I think I'm sure I think I know I keep saying a thing. Oh my god, this is really good. So did you see how curly my hair was? Oh my goodness. Love this. I'm in love with this. You know what I did, guys? I spent like about, if you're a member, I'm actually a member of Lange. I get like VIP stuff. I think I had to spend like about $39. $39, and I got this for free. So if I were you, you should just really be a member. So I'm gonna lower the temperature down just a little. wow, this is really neat. I like this. So if you want to brush your hair, if you want like, I guess more, you want it more straightened, just kind of like glaze at it for like a while. Don't take it off too soon. Oh wow, that's like straight already. So this is pretty much what it did to my hair. This is really good. I like it. I really like it. So if I were you guys, my child is right next to me. Get this. Hang on, let me see. It's called, oh gosh. It's called Levit, or how do you pronounce it? Levite or Levit. But it's a very fancy name. Alright, this is so awesome. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I was just sharing what I have, stuff that worth sharing that people might like. So if I were you guys, I'm not like promoting Lange or anything like that. You can be a member. I don't think you have, there's fee for that. It's free. And then they would just send you an email or text message that there's like promotion going on. They'll just like, you know, hey, if you spend like $30, you get this for free. Like I said, I had to spend like about 39 something dollars for this, and I got this for free. And this is like about, oh my gosh, $70 I think. So imagine, free. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Love you all.